Okay, so the next way how you can get citizenship in Malaysia is marriage and registration. Okay, this is one of the most famous way that being used by foreigner to get the citizenship of Malaysia. They will come and marry the woman in Malaysia. Okay, that is how they can get citizenship. Okay, give right for foreign women who are married a Malaysian citizenship. Okay, but the woman or the man must fulfill one of these condition. Husband is citizen in October 1962 or after of it. Okay, prior or married or is still binding a woman live in Malaysia for 2 years before applying and registration. Okay, so it's either man or woman is citizenship of Malaysia. Okay, so how the foreigner can apply for this kind of way? Okay, first and foremost, must have good intention or must have an intention to stay and live in Malaysia. After they get married, they must stay in Malaysia, cannot go out to their original or origin country. Okay, so second is a good conduct, mean the foreigner that want to marry to Malaysian is free from crime. Okay, no basic Malay, must know basic Malay. Okay, maybe makan saya kamu, something like that, basic Malay. Okay, take an oath of allegiance to Malaysia. They must take an oath, go to the court and have to do some oath, sumpah. Okay, so this is fourth way, that is naturalization. Okay, naturalization is applied to residents who are not born in Malay. Okay, for the one who not born from from Malaysia, they are the foreigner that come to Malaysia that are age 21 and above. They stay in Malaysia for more than 10 to 12 years. This is something that always happen to lecturer that come to Malaysia and they want to teach in Malaysia. So they can get Malaysian citizenship if they stay 10 to 12 years in Malaysia. Okay, and also do not have crime history, and also have sufficient knowledge of Malay language. Okay, and last but not least is merging of state. Merging of state is just like Sabah and Sarawak. Before this, Sabah and Sarawak is not known as Tanah Melayu. Okay, but because of the independence, okay, Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak and also Singapore before this or can get the citizenship by merging of the state, and it's come to and it's as result Malaysian are established. Okay, so there are two ways how you can get your termination of citizenship. You will not longer be a Malaysian. So there are two ways. First is voluntary reject. You are rejecting being Malaysian. Okay, because maybe before that you can get British citizenship. Okay, so you said that British is better than Malaysia citizenship. So I don't want to be a Malaysian anymore. I want to be a British. Okay, I want to be a Londoner. So you go to Jabatan Mahkamah and you say that you want to gugurkan your citizenship. Okay, so you will be a Londoner after that. Yes, you may. Okay, and second is government termination. This is when you do a crime. Okay, when you violated some law. Okay, you do a prohibited action. Yes, you can be terminated by the government. Okay, so how you want to why government will terminate you? There are some reason of behind of it. One is become citizen of other country. You cannot become two citizen in one people cannot have two citizen. You will only have one citizenship. Okay, so when you have another citizenship in other country, yes, Malaysian government can automatically terminate your citizenship. Okay, second is enjoying right and facilities exclusive for other country. For example, you are voting for Donald Trump. Okay, you go to election and you voting for Donald Trump, but the thing is the only one who can do the voting is citizenship of America, but you do the things that American do, so Malaysian government can terminate your citizenship. Okay, Third is a woman that becomes citizen by marrying for a man from a foreign country and show no longer loyal to Malaysia. Okay, when Mina kahwin to Vincent, that is Thailand, okay, and Mina said that I don't want to stay in Malaysia anymore. Malaysia is so boring. I want to go to Thailand. I want to stay in Thailand. Yes, government can terminate your citizenship, okay, because you are married to someone else and no longer loyal to Malaysia, okay, and has business tied to hostel country. For example, in Malaysia, we have a Petronas, a national business, okay. In some other country, they also have their own national businesses. If you tie with the businesses and you are the one who do the businesses and you become the director of the businesses, yes, government can terminate your citizenship, okay. Give service to another country without Malaysian consent, citizenship falsely obtained. Okay, maybe you are secara diam or silently you get British citizenship and you do something bad. Yes, Malaysian can terminate your citizenship. Okay, live continuously for more than 5 years in another country. Okay, for no other reason, just like suka-suka. No, you cannot do something like that, and Malaysian government can terminate your citizenship. Okay, sentence in jail for more than 12 months or fine more than 50,000 within 5 years after obtaining citizenship through application. Okay, you Vincent come to Malaysia, okay, and get the citizenship. Okay, during the citizenship, during the year when he got the citizenship, he do crime. Okay, within a year. Okay, Malaysian government can terminate his application to be a Malaysian. Okay, for citizenship through marriage, if the husband divorce her or citizenship status is gone. When okay, for example, Ali, okay, Mary married to Ali, okay, and Ali divorced Mary in 1 year, something like that. Example, okay. Then because of this divorce, Mary no longer become a Malaysian, okay, because of the divorce. Except for if Mary is married with Ali and Ali is dead, die. Okay, Ali die, Mary can still become a Malaysian. Okay, exception is if husband pass away. Okay. So this is the last thing, that is basic right. Okay, the Federation Constitution give and protect our basic right. Okay, the basic right is, there are two basic right in Malaysia. There is fundamental basic right and second is conditional basic right. For fundamental basic right is freedom of worship. We can have our own religion, personal freedom, such as you can go to work, you can speak, you can have your own money, okay, and also economic freedom. You can sell anything in Malaysia except for something that are prohibited. Okay, so that is fundamental kind of right. But how about condition? Condition is something that bound to law. Okay, you cannot do something like this except for if the thing that you do are allowed by law. Okay, for example is Parliament can call you anytime to serve any work. Okay, because the power is on the Parliament. That is the basic right. Okay, and you have to abide with it. Okay, once proven innocent by trial, cannot be tried unless the High Court. Okay, you are innocent if you do not go for a trial. Okay, after the trial, for example, maybe someone said that Ali is a robber, but Ali do not go to court and have a trial. Okay, so you cannot say Ali is a robber. Okay, limited to Federation Constitution freedom to move and go anywhere unless restricted by law. Okay, you can go anywhere where you want to go, travel anywhere unless the law said that you cannot go out from Malaysia. Okay, and last but not least, a freedom of speech. You can speak anything unless it involves national security that can cause war. Okay, you cannot say something that can cause war. Okay, and last but not least is special provision. Special provision is form Sabah and Sarawak. Okay, although some of the Sabah and Sarawak is not Malay. For example, Iban, Melanau, okay, Bidayu is not considered Malay, but we are considered as Bumi Putra. Okay, that is specialty of Sabah and Sarawak. Okay, to bring both Malay and Bumi Putra to the same economic and education status as other races, because Sarawak and Sabah is a very special state. Okay, so I think that's all from me.